Guys, since that Sasha person asked for that, so let's go. Where's that? Wait, what's that performance? Okay, so we got it, guys. Super Simulator. That's why I quit Roblox. I have a second account, Camilla123 Glossy. Don't even ask why a different name of why isn't my same name. I mean, I really do like it being a different name because it can make me feel more safe and stuff. Guys, remember like those new hackers? That's real fake, guys. I was playing a game that isn't really isn't like that isn't over 1,000 or 100. It was like only one online player was playing it. So I didn't got hacked and I joined the game that has you know that has has that has you guys may know the ones shots were clear, like the one had like you know like what those again, like hacks, yeah, like you got hacked. These are all fake, guys. I tried some of those games and I barely got hacked, but we aren't gonna get that excited, guys. So she said like pink, there's no pink. I don't know if she chose really you. I like that it's like very cute girl. Probably her sis birthday or something. Like that's really just makes your plans. So we just wanted to show off. Wow. This person is so person has a good day. Wait, why is it clicking me to stop low? So, 2 Sasha. Oh no, Sasha Banks? Yeah, I think it's like Banks. Sasha Banks. Sasha Banks. Okay. That's kind of a weird name, but kind of cool. What's it pressing me to stop, guys? Should I stop? Well, first. No, okay, oh, how do I work it? I wanna play, wow. No, get rid of it. How do I get rid of it? How do I get rid of these X? That's just so cool. I'm not gonna lie, I'm trying to separate this too. Alright, cause it's, yeah, like, extra this. It's so cool, guys. Let's make a heart. You can see the heart. Okay, guys, I'm gonna try it. Like, see work what I'm doing. So guys, why I ride? It's so fun, guys. I literally separate these two. Okay. Let's go. That's where Sasha plays. Good job, Sasha. So that's all, guys. Bye.